everybody. This is part 3 of our construction contractor information that businesses need when they either start or they're running a construction business. Issues, concerns that I have seen over the years. In the last video, we talked about bookkeeping and what you need to be doing and how you should be doing it. In this one, I want to go a little bit beyond that. If you understand your business, it is important that your CPA will understand how much you understand your business, and they can help you basically based on what you understand. They're going to be accomplishing other things. Book-wise, they're going to be accomplishing number-wise, but you're the only one out there, so you need to communicate very carefully exactly what you're doing and how you're doing it to your CPA so it reflects on your numbers. A lot of contractors, I know they're very busy, but this is important. This is where it goes through your meeting, your monthly or quarterly meetings that you're having. This is an advisor, but the advisor can only be as good as you understand your business. The second thing is there's a big difference between a CPA that files your taxes and a CPA that gives you tax planning. Filing your taxes is doing just that. The tax planning, that is an optimal result. Once your business has grown to a certain level, you want to start doing that. You don't want to start in September. You want to start towards the beginning of the year. This is going to guarantee you're going to be able to take advantage of those items. For example, if you need to come out of pocket in October for the entire year, it's going to make it much more difficult than if you started in March, April. That allows you to start putting money away as you go along. So that would be very important to remember. As your business has grown, you need to partner with somebody not only with the experience that is able to set you up and give you that consulting tax planning part that will save you, and look for all those avenues, and there are plenty out there to legally save you money in the long run in your taxes. I hope you like this video. If you would leave a like and or leave any comments in the box below, I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.